Alright guys, welcome to another review video. Today we're gonna do the Bayka soldering iron. Soldering. I got this because I wanted to learn how to I had a device that got messed up and I wanted to weld it or solder it back together, and it seemed to do the job. Let's bring it out. For this, for some reason I kept the instructions. So it does come with several tips, as you can see right here. It does have, once it cools down, you can cover it up. And you can see that I've used it. It does come off right here. Able to change the tip out. There's extra tips right here. Certain angles. I haven't even used the stand that it comes with, but this is a stand for it. Basically like this. So if you're working, it does get really hot. You don't want to set it on a regular surface. What I did like about it, that it's digital. And it does have preset modes, so you don't have to worry about, well, if you want to preset a mode, make it easier on you, you just turn it on. Right here, it's off. Turn it on, and you can see quickly raise temperature. According to the box, it does reach 480 degrees Celsius, 896 degrees Fahrenheit. I have not tested it and make sure it is that temperature, but that's what it says. And you can see it's gonna keep going up. Or you can raise it up more if you want. There's a presets that I was talking about. That's at 480 degrees Celsius right now. It's gonna go there. I think when I did get it, when I did buy it at first, it came with a little soldering, almost like a sample size soldering, what do you call that stuff? I'm trying to remember the area, the item, the name, but it did come with some soldering, this thing right here. This is another one that I bought before. So right here is at 480 degrees Celsius, which equals to, according to their paper, 896 degrees Fahrenheit, and that was what, in less than a minute. And then, as you can see the tip, it does get really hot. That's why they give you this little stand. I've welded a blowhorn with it that lost a soldering connection, and yeah, it does work. I'm happy with it. I've used it several times for other stuff, and it does seem to work. Oof, paper caught on fire. So they're not playing about the 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Let me see if I can. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see this, but it is melting it. There you go. I'll turn this off. And just like that, guys. So like I said, this is the Bayka, I don't know what you want, how to exactly pronounce it, but it's the Bayka soldering iron. See if I don't burn myself. That's the tip that usually gets hot. There you go. So once it cools down, I'm gonna put this protective tip back in, and then, like I said, these are the other tips. I don't bring these out because I don't do this for a living. I just don't. I hate calling repair people, and I hate replacing things that can easily be fixed. So when I can repair things or do it myself, that's what I do. So as you can see, these are the tips. Depending what you're trying to solder back together. Now, this cannot weld anything, like any major copper pipes like that, but it can, oh, that's my legs. get something got delivered. You want to fix electronics that got messed up or whatever. This seems to do the job. But yeah, guys, I don't know how long it's gonna take to cool down before I touch it. I'm not trying to risk it either. I'll put the link in the description for you guys so you can check it out. All right, guys.